Hey, good afternoon to you guys. So I just ran out of the courtroom after this verdict came in just under 3 hours of deliberation from these 12 jury members. And Hunter Biden, the son of current President Joe Biden, has been found guilty on all 3 of these counts. I'm going to read the statements for you here. Making false statement, that was count 1. He's been found guilty. Count 2, making false statement. He's been found guilty on that count. Count 3, possession of a gun while addicted to drugs, found guilty. This is something that came down really fast. We were actually outside of that courtroom speaking with an ally of Hunter Biden, and they were really optimistic. And a lot of legal experts told us if this is a situation where the jury came back extremely quickly, it could have been bad news for Hunter Biden. And now we have it. The president's son found guilty on all 3 of these federal counts against him. This all started last year. We know that the allegations were brought against him last year, the indictment on this federal gun case, and the trial started last week, Monday. And we anticipated that this is something that could last 3 to 6 days. We're right now at the 6th day, not even at the lunch hour, and the verdict came in. 6 men, 6 women on this jury, and it was a unanimous verdict. Now, Judge Mary Ellen Noreika, she's saying that sentencing will be announced within 120 days. So we have to wait to get additional details on that. But that is the breaking news right now. The son of the sitting president has been found guilty on all of these counts.
Hey, Joy, we know that cameras were not allowed inside the courtroom, but what was Hunter Biden's reaction to all of this, and was he handcuffed immediately?
He was not handcuffed immediately. This is a situation where we will have sentencing in 120 days. This is his first conviction, so they have to go through an entire process where they're able to look at his history, and then the judge will determine the sentence. But it all happened so quickly. Hunter Biden, he walked into the courtroom within a matter of minutes of hearing that there was this verdict in this case. He was followed by his wife and some other allies, and it happened so quickly. Some of his family members, they were on the outside of the courtroom because they were not able to get in. The folks who were overseeing that courtroom, they literally locked the door so that people would not be able to go in and out. And once the judge came in, once Mary Ellen Noreika came in, things went really quickly. We had the verdict read in a matter of minutes, and I saw Hunter Biden look back at one of his attorneys. He gave her a hug. So really, it was a situation that went so quickly, and people were coming in and out trying to get the news out to everyone so you can hear.
Joy, stick with us. We want to bring in our White House correspondent, Serena Marshall. Serena, we expect the president, we had expected the president to talk about gun violence prevention measures later today. Any word on if he may address the situation unfolding here out of Wilmington?
Yeah, so far, no plans for the White House to address this publicly. There is a press briefing later this afternoon, but the president, like you said, planned to give remarks on gun violence prevention. His son now convicted on these gun-related charges. But, you know, in the past, Chris, the president has been asked point blank, would you pardon your son if he is convicted by a jury? And he said no. So we can rule out any possibility of a pardon based on the president's own words. Earlier this month, the president was also asked about this case when it was unfolding, and he said in a statement, I am the president, but I am also a dad. Jill and I love our son, and we are so proud of the man he is today. Hunter's resilience in the face of adversity and the strength he has brought to his recovery are inspiring to us all. A lot of families have loved ones who have overcome addiction and know what we mean. As the president, I don't and won't comment on pending federal cases, but as a dad, I have boundless love for my son, confidence in him, and respect for his strength. Our family has been through a lot together, and Jill and I are going to continue to be there for Hunter and our family with our love and support. And really, Chris, we've seen the president try and separate out his family versus the Justice Department, and I expect that line to continue.